I need to be myself. Can't wait to show you this, okay? A really cool way to play Supersonic if you wanted to look at it. A stripped back version with a capo on the 2nd fret. I'm using typical Noel style chords. I've kind of put my own twist on it as well, so it's not exact, but I think you're gonna love this. Now, you should know the old 4-finger E minor 7, G, and A sus 4, and we keep those last 2 fingers on the last 2 strings. And really quickly, just before I carry on, if you want me to be your personal one-to-one coach, hit the number on screen, send me a WhatsApp asking for info, and I will talk you through me being your personal coach. No robot, me teaching you. Let me know if you're interested, text me with the number on the screen. Now, what I want you to feel this is this kind of chugging along. So it's quite delicate, but it sounds so cool. I need to be myself. I can't be no one else. I'm feeling supersonic. Give me gin and tonic. So that just keeps going, okay? Now, we'll then get into the verse. Next verse, you make me laugh, give me your autograph. Keeps doing the same thing. E minor 7, G, A sus 4. But then we're going to drop into a D chord, then to E minor 7. Then back to a D and into a B7. But let me just talk you through that for a bit of context, okay? Here, you need to find a way. No one's gonna tell you what I'm on about. Now this time, what you want to say for tomorrow. We're then going to go up to B7. So that's the little bridge, and then we get to this really cool, because my friend said he'd take you home, sits in a corner all alone. Now there I'm hitting a C add 9, I'm hitting a G, I'm hitting a D, and I'm hitting an E minor 7. Again, we're keeping the rhythm simple. My friend said he'd take you home. And that keeps repeating to the end of the chorus. Hang on a D chord, then B7. You need to be yourself. And then it goes back, so fairly straightforward. This is my own version. I've taken it from a few versions Noel likes to do on some of his live high flying bird stuff, but I just think it works really, really well. E minor 7, G, A sus 4. The next part, D to E minor 7, and then D to B7, and then your chorus, C add 9, G, D, E minor 7. Go and try it, go and give it a go this weekend, get the guitar out, impress your mates, grab a beer, have some fun. It's a great sing along. And again, if you want me to be your personal guitar coach via WhatsApp, hit the number on the screen, send me a text or a WhatsApp for info, and I'll walk you through. I will be your personal online guitar teacher.